everyone, Terry here from Sparkling Smiles. Today I wanted to do a little video with some information about teeth whitening. So there's a few different options for teeth whitening. It just depends on what kind of teeth whitening you're looking to do. So here in the office we do provide whitening treatments that are done in the chair in this office. So those treatments are really convenient. In a little under 2 hours, you can come into the office, have your whitening done, and you walk out the door and you're good. The other option is to do your whitening at home. So there's a couple different options for doing it at home. So I just wanted to show you guys what those options are and show you how easy it actually is to do your teeth whitening yourself. So as some of you are probably familiar with, there is a kit by Wicked White. So those kits come in a box like this, has all the supplies that you need. These ones are an LED light with a tray. When you turn it on, the light comes on. So these kits come with 2 whitening pens. They're both the same, so there's enough gel with 2 whitening pens to do about 30 sessions. So that's lots. It also comes with a pre-treatment spray that you use before you start whitening. It helps to lift surface stains off of your enamel before you put your whitening gel on. And of course it comes with the instructions and a shade guide so you can keep track of the color of your teeth, and also the charger. So this light is completely rechargeable, which is a really nice option to have too. So these kits are really awesome. I'm a big fan of these LED kits. Another option for doing them yourself at home are boil and bite trays. So they look like this. And basically what you do with these is you boil a pot of water, you submerge them in the pot of water so that they soften, then you put them in your mouth and you do a sucking motion to try to get the air out of it and to form it around your teeth. So you put them in and you kind of do a movement, and that will form it to your teeth. So you do one for the top, one for the bottom, and then you cut the little tab off of it. So these are a couple that I made for myself. I just haven't cut the tabs off yet, but they fit really well. I really have no complaints about this. It holds the gel nicely on your teeth so that it doesn't get up on your gum lines like what happens when you try to use white strips. So these are a really convenient, easy way to do your teeth whitening at home. Of course, they come with the instructions. You get a case to keep them in so they're nice and safe. And there's 2 options when you get these boil and bite trays. You can either get a Wicked White whitening pen. So they look like this, a little bit different than the LED one. There's about 15 sessions of whitening gel in each pen. So some people prefer the pen because it has a little brush on the end and it's easier for the application on your teeth. Some people prefer a syringe. This option is great too. You just break the end off the syringe and then you just put a little tiny dab on each little tooth compartment, and then you put your tray in. So again, really super easy. There's about the same amount of applications whether you get a syringe of gel or you get a whitening pen. The other option for doing it at home that unfortunately right now because of COVID-19 it's not available because we have to do the first step in the office, but you can also have custom trays made. So these trays are made specifically for your teeth. So you come into the office, you have a really quick appointment where we take impressions of your top and bottom teeth, and from there we take them into the back lab area where we actually make you a custom tray. So these ones are kind of the ultimate for home teeth whitening because it is custom fit to your teeth. A little bit better than the boil and bite trays, but price wise, the boil and bite ones will work just fine. If you don't want to spend a lot of money to do your teeth whitening, the boil and bite ones work just fine. For those of you that want to have trays that are custom fit, that are going to fit really, really well and be really comfortable, then the home whitening with the custom tray would be the way to go. All options work really great. They all give you similar results whether you do in office or one of these 3 options for doing them at home. Whatever you prefer. If anyone has any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask me. I am always happy to help you. Thanks so much.